freaking on right now. It's New Year's Eve. And yesterday we were looking at the wind report and we were going, what is going on? Is there going to be waves in West Lake Tahoe tomorrow? Which never happens. And we're like, nah, that can't happen. Sure enough, today I checked the webcams and we see swell rolling through. So, John and I are mobbing up there right now. Thanks for joining along. Yeah, it's pretty much on right now. But the only thing is we don't really know anything about West Shore Lake Tahoe. So, it's gonna be a learning experience. We're gonna have to figure this out. So, but I'm feeling good about it. I think we're gonna score. So. Alright guys, I just got here to Tahoe City, California on the northwest shore. I'm now heading south and we're hunting. Yeah, I don't even really know any beaches. There's so much traffic. It's New Year's Eve, so look at this. Look how freaking long this line is to get out of Tahoe. Woo! Alright, well, I know there's a little town called Homewood right down here, so I'm gonna go, it's a couple miles down, so I'm gonna head down to Homewood and check it out, and probably pull over, give John a call, see what's going down. Alright guys, first look at the lake, and we got definite storm surge going on, just like we had seen on the webcams. Okay guys, woo! Ah, just dropped my phone. Okay, it's windy, obviously. Ugh.
No? Yeah, you don't seem to be cold anyway.
No, I'm good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You're welcome. It's freaking on. You guys, I'm freaking stoked right now. How does this happen? Absolutely pumping. 23 degrees. With the wind chill, so we're talking like 13 in the wind. It's pretty rough. That beach looked sick, but I want to see what else is down here. I just called John, he didn't answer. Anyways, I'm kind of at a loss for words right now, guys. I'm just trying to figure this out, and I'm stoking beyond belief. Like, I can't even believe what I just saw. Coldest sesh of this winter so far, by far, and biggest of the winter so far. So we are freaking frothing. It's like private residences. Holy sh**. Here we go, here we go. Look at that one, look at that one. Right behind the tree there. Is it gonna break though? They're not quite breaking. I just talked to John, just got off the phone. Pretty much it's on right now, and I think he is just south of here by like 2 miles. But I think he's right around the corner here in the same bay as where I'm at. Oh my gosh, it's firing. Come on. Let's go. Holy shit, the wind. Woo. Man, that's the DA. Dude, crazy. Let's go. Happy New Year. Finally. Woo. Yeah, I'm so pumped. We can't miss out. I gotta
look, dude, look over there. That's like
Hit the rides.
Yeah, I gotta take off too. Happy New Year's. You out? I don't know, I'm gonna sit in the car for a while. Okay.
Alright, good morning. It is New Year's Day 2019. I am like hungover from surfing. I have like a surf hangover right now.
Which entails what?
Which entails pressure in the head. I don't think my nose is dripping anymore, but my nose was dripping cold water all night.
Ew.
And my whole body just has a general ache. I know I stubbed my big toe on my left foot really hard. That doesn't feel so bad right now. But yeah, just a general, like, I just feel hungover basically, which I haven't felt in a long time. But yeah, the head pressure plus the general wear and tear on the body just feels like I'm hungover. Plus my eyes won't open all the way. What are you thinking? Huh? What do you think? How were the waves yesterday? Were they good?
He doesn't know anything.
He knows. Yeah, so the power's out. So built a little fire. It's ghetto. Have a bunch of random wood in the backyard, so.
Can I say hi? So we made a fire. We made a fire too.
Yeah, so I didn't get to talk too much about what happened yesterday. Pretty much just went in there, surfed my brains out, and then like got out. But it was really hard to film that session because my GoPro was freezing over. All the straps and everything on my GoPro. It was really hard to keep in my mouth, the mouth mount in my mouth, and so I decided to put it on a pole. Put the pole in the snow, which I actually left behind my mouth mount on the beach. Kind of a mess as far as filming goes, so I don't even know what like footage I got or anything, and I don't know, I didn't really catch any good waves, but they were big waves. It's been a while since we've had waves like that, so we were frothing. When we got out of the water, our wetsuits were freezing over, much like a Great Lakes surf session. And yeah, like even changing out of my wetsuit next to my car, there was just like a layer of ice on the road where I had changed out of my wetsuit, and like the hood on my wetsuit was frozen over. The all the piers and the docks around us had icicles that were like a foot long, hanging down. And we were surprisingly, I was very warm in the water. The cold part was when you get out on the beach. I think with the wind chill it was like 10 degrees. So anyways, it's New Year's, fire, no electricity. We're starting off the year off the grid. It's just how we do it. Go get some food soon. Huh? You want to get a muffin, huh?
Yes, I would get a muffin.
What kind of muffin?
Like Willard.
A red one?
Yes, just like my like in Queen.
You want one like Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
I don't think they have red muffins unless you get like red velvet, which I doubt the co-op has that. It sounds like something you'd get at like Kroger.
Red.
Also, I have like my lips are burnt from wind, so like I've been having to put on chapstick every 5 minutes.
Wow.
So basically, we're just
This is turning into a complainery.
wow. Complain sesh.
Yeah, complain sesh. Be resilient and take it.
What's your claim?
Tuna.
Tuna.